I wanna go to a sea. Wherever I go, I will always find myself so alone. I want to know wherever I go, where does it have to be so lonely? The seas that I ever been, the seas that I could ever visit, but I wasn't able to go any seas. I wanna see a sea that has been so salty, that means so much. I wanna see a sea. I wanna know how does it looks, why does it have so blue color, but I don't get anything. I wanna know why does it has a blue color. That is a sea where the water of a normal water has a very difference. The sea has a very difference. I wanna see a sea. I wanna see a sea. I wanna know what is there in the sea of the deep oceans. Why does it has to ever been called as the oceans? Why does it has to be called as the ocean? I wanna know why does it have so difference? Wherever I go, wherever I see, I wanna see a sea. The sea, why does it has to be so different from a normal water that I have been? The normal waters that I could ever been. I wanna see a sea. I wanna know why the color is so blue, why the color has to be the sky's color. I do not know. Is this the reflection of something? Is this the mirror that we call? The mirror of a sky is called a sea. The mirror of a sky is called a sea. I wanna know why it has to be a sea. I wanna go to a sea. I wanna know so many times I ever go, I have see something. I wanna know why does everyone go to the trip that is called beach? Everybody loves a beach, even though there is so much hot, but everybody is having their sun creams in their hands. I don't get why do everybody love these beaches that I ever been in there. I haven't ever been there. I wanna know why does everybody wanna see a sea? I wanna know why everybody likes the sea. Why the sea has to be so much. The sea seems so particular that I could ever miss, but I couldn't go there. The thing is I don't have enough money to be going there. I don't have enough money to be going to the beach, a beach that I would ever seen in my life. I wanna know why does it have to be so much? Why does it have to be so much? I wanna be in the sea. I wanna know why does it have to be so much blue? Why does it reflect to the sky? Why does it have to be so blue? Why doesn't a normal river have a been? I wanna know why does it has to be so? I wanna see a sea. I wanna know a sea. The sea is so blue. I want to know why it has to be so blue. Why it has to be so blue. I wanna know why does it ever has to be so blue. I wonder wherever I go. I wanna know. Everywhere I ever seen, I never seen such a blue thing in my life. Such a blue thing in my life. Blue, 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 wherever I see it, all blue. When I taste it, it's salty. It's so salty. Wherever I taste it, it's so salty. I wonder why it has to be so salty. Why does everybody wanna make a trip to the beach? Why does everybody wanna go to the beach? I just couldn't understand. I wanna know why the sea is so blue. I wanna know why the sea is so blue. The sea seems so much that I couldn't ever be. I wanna know why the sea is so blue. I want you to be. I wanna know the sea is so blue. I wonder wherever I go I find this. Wherever I see, wherever I know. I wanna know why the sea is so blue. The sea seems so blue that I couldn't ever refuse to see it. But I don't have enough money to go and see the sea. Has everybody seen the sea before they were ever been there? Has anybody seen the seas that ever been there before? Has ever seen the seas that ever been there before? I wanna be, I wanna see you see. I wanna be somebody that has been seen the sea, the salt water of your own earth that you could ever been. It's society. People wanna see you see. Those people wanna see you see. No matter wherever you go, the skies are so blue, the seas are so blue. You wanna see you see. That's so blue, that's so blue. The sea is so blue. I just couldn't understand. The sea seems so much blue. The sea is so blue that I could ever been. The sea seems so blue. It's so blue, it's so blue.